Okay, here we go. We're gonna talk about the FCC revenue through the spectrum auction design. So how can we like maximize it? So TLDR, my recommendation is using the SMR, which is simultaneously multiple run like auction with an ascending byte format. um like there's tons of like good supporting evidence to support this like my conclusion and suggestion, but I want to dive into like step by step. First of all, definitely it has like a proven like track record. SMRA has been successfully implemented in numerous FCC spectrum auctions. And it's kind of like secondly, it's kind of like a competitive like bidding. So the iterative like bidding process fosters competition among participants, make it like more competitive, interactive, and definitely more exciting. And third is dynamic like pricing. Like the prices like adjust dynamically based on bidder demand and the market signals, which is very fair and which is pretty like market and price driven. So why SMRA? The design of SMRA directly contributes to the revenue maximizing through the several key mechanism, which is also create a competitive environment that drives up prices. So like we can maximize the price, the profit behind it and from it. And like here are three supporting points. One is it encourages competition. Secondly, like it facilitates price discovery, and also at the same time minimize the uncertainty. Because usually some like bidding process will have a lot of like risk. So this is a way of like total transparent to reduces uncertainty about the value of spectrum licenses. And especially we talk about the risk management. So like it is like adjusting risk neutrality and the valuation defenses. One people always like care about the risk mitigation. So risk neutral buyers like can bid up to their true valuation without fear of overpaying. That's really important. It will attract like a more bidders and make them feel safe. Um, Overall, like it just increased the successful like deal volume. And secondly, like a market observation, bidders could observe like market activity, and it's very efficient. Licenses are allocated to those who value them most and promoting the economic efficiency overall. And definitely from like a business needs perspective, it has like the highest like flexibility from my research. A significant advantage of SMRA is flexibility, allowing buyers to pursue combinations of spectrum blocks that align with their specific business objectives like simultaneous bidding and strategic like combinations, and also optimize like there's optimized like bandwidth, which bidders can assemble the optimal bandwidth for their services, which is really cool. And here are some like implementation details we can find from like the textbook we were reading. Um, Once the fixed increments, the price increases in predetermined the increments after each run. And the second, it's pretty active, right? So you encourage like active participation. And thirdly, there's no new like bids because the auction concludes when no new bids are placed across all license. So on the right side, we see here's a traditional SMRA bidding process. So overall, in conclusion, By employing SMRA with ascending bids, the FCC can effectively maximize revenue while ensuring the efficient allocation of wireless spectrum rights to those who value them most. It's very obviously we'll talk about that, and also like foster innovation and competition in the telecommunications industry, make the industry more healthy and more innovative potentially. This approach aligns with economic principles and leverages practical experience from successful spectrum auctions, providing a robust framework of achieving FCC objectives. Um, and here are the reference. I read a lot from those like six resources and combining the um, managerial economics business strategy, the textbook, some concept from the textbook, and what we've covered four different types of in the of the auction type in our lecture previously. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching.